Yo, I did have something to talk about today too, though. For like in terms of like YouTube content. So yesterday I was playing. I don't know how long this conversation is gonna go, so I don't really know. We'll figure it out. Yesterday I was playing my game though, just for like I know we have a lot of young people in the chat, and I know they're like sometimes gamers like they're a little insecure about like the people they hang out with, like their friends. Sometimes they have like they have people. Anyway, point of story. I was playing this game last night with Lucas. We're vibing. We're chilling. This dude ends up saying to me, I'm lurking. It's like round 2 or something. I think I had a stinger. It's a bonus round. That's what it was. It was a bonus round. And the Omen places a smoke on C long on Haven. And I'm sitting outside of the smoke because I'm waiting to see if he pushes it. People like to push smokes. They do, especially in the rank I'm playing at right now. People like to push smokes. It's like we're on a bonus round anyway. I'm just chilling. I'm just lurking. I'm not really doing a whole lot, right? Keep this in mind. I recognize I wasn't doing a bunch, but my team attempts to push A. They all die. I'm sitting here alive. I start getting yelled at by my teammate Phoenix, who's just losing his fucking mind about my lurk. He's like, "Wow, look at you not doing anything. What the fuck are you doing on this lurk, dude? What the fuck?" This had nothing prior to it. We're just vibing. We're just chilling. This dude starts yelling at me, and I'm just like, "Chill, dog." I was chilling over here. I thought he might push the smoke. I was waiting for him to push smoke. Hopefully, I get a gun. It's completely different. This dude pushes the smoke. I kill him, and then we take C site. That would be a completely different scenario, but it just didn't happen. You know, it's unfortunate. Took a gamble, and it didn't happen, right? I went mid. After going mid, I end up dying. He's like, "Wow, excellent lurk, dude. Excellent lurk." And I'm thinking, God, this guy's a dickhole. But his friend that he's queued with ends up going, "Yo, is that the King live?" And I'm like, "Yeah, what's up, dude?" And he's just like, "Dude, I love your videos." And his friend starts being mean to him now because he recognizes me and he said he likes my videos. And like, I'm just like, dude, this guy's just being a piece of shit in this game. He's being a dick to me. I can't imagine there's times where he's not a dick to this guy. He's like he's making fun of this guy because he watches my videos. He's, "Wow, you would watch," and then he like explicit. You know, I'm not gonna use these explicits in my video right now, but I'm just like, dude, it's just not cool. It's just not cool. We got to the end of the game anyway, and this guy was being nice to me. He was like, we was like joking around. We're like fucking with each other, and then like the other guy, he's just being a dickhole the entire time. His other friend was too as well. And we got to the point where Lucas was like, "Dude, like these guys are like." This guy doesn't seem like he fits in with these guys. it was like a weird moment where Lucas was like, I don't know what his name was. I didn't have that much interest in these guys. I honestly don't care. But we get to the end of the game and Lucas is like, "Dude, this guy doesn't really fit in with the other two." And I was like, "Yeah, I don't think they're his friends." And I don't mean that in a way where it's like, "Oh, well, they're like he's not queued with them." I meant that as in like, dude, sometimes you think you have people who are your friends who just aren't your friends. They're like, maybe you don't get along. Maybe they're mean to you. Maybe these people are mean to you. Maybe you queue with these people and they're like mean to you constantly. And you're just like, "Fuck, dude, like my friend, like he's just so mean to me. It made me feel bad." You don't need to talk to those people. You just don't need to. I don't know what this guy's situation is. I'm not going to speak for him. But I'm saying that there's probably somebody out there who's hanging out with these guys. They're playing games with these guys because they have nobody else to play games with. Maybe they haven't like made other friends, or maybe this is just the people that you're used to hanging out with. And I would even go as far to say that these people are probably hindering this other guy's ability to climb. The guy who recognized me, the guy who's being friendly the entire time. He's like talking. We're just fucking around. He's being chill. And the guy that he's playing with. The guy he's playing with could easily be limiting his ability to climb just by the fact that when you're yelling at people, dude, your odds of winning, they don't go up. They really don't. When you're cussing out some random dude on round 3 with no build up prior, he just starts yelling at me for lurking. I'm just like, dude, that's just not the way to do it. I get it. You're frustrated, but like, hey man, can you like play with the team? There's a better way to handle it. And when you have these people that you're playing with constantly who are constantly flaming randoms, just getting angry at the game, getting angry at everybody else, they get so tilted. Yeah, probably not the move. Probably, I can't speak for this guy personally. I'm just saying that like if you're in this situation where you feel like you're surrounded by these people who are just constantly being a dick, constantly putting you down, or just yelling at other people, they might not be your friends. You might feel like you might call them your friends. You might like feel like that. I got to a point in my life where I was just like, I don't know. There were some people in my life that I just felt like were really mean to me, really rude, and I got tired of it, dude. I don't want to deal with that shit. I don't want to deal with people who are mean to me. Friends aren't mean to you. They're fixing the chat banned issue. So now if people are chat banned, what they're going to do, they said it'll take a patch or two, but if you're chat banned, you won't be able to play comp anymore, which is cool. There's a good change. People who are chat banned should not be able to play comp. I don't want to play comp. Nobody wants them on their team, dude. Comms are important. If you're chat banned, I'm not going to join your party, dude. You're banned for a reason, homie. No, stuff like that pisses me off. I just hate when people are entirely rude. You mean when I get tilted round 1 that doesn't make us win? Yeah, weird. Speaking of tilt, I had this funny play. This is a little bit a little bit lighter than that last story. This has nothing to do with friends. But I wanted to showcase, I watched some tilt happen in real time, and it made me laugh. Ryan was watching this game in Discord. Who was I playing? I was playing Yoru, I think. Yeah, I must have been. No, I was Reyna. That's who I was. It was on Haven right here. Is it this game? It was. Okay, it's this game right here, dude. Radiant Smurfs. Yeah, we're playing this game, right? It's going all right. Like, it's not terrible. It's not amazing. But I'm playing Reyna. I'm on my Smurf right now. So I'm Smurfing too. Don't get me wrong. I don't think there's anything terribly wrong with Smurfing. However, if you're a Radiant Smurf in like gold plat elo, I might give you a little bit of shit. You know, I might fuck with you a little bit. I'm not gonna be a dick, but I might trash talk a little bit, dude. So we got to this point where there's a jet on the enemy team. I'm assuming he's a Radiant Smurf based off of his name. I have no way to prove that he was Radiant, but he's a streamer apparently. TTV Parker, he was Radiant. I was fucking with him. No hard feelings towards Parker. I was just kind of busting his chops because it was a gold game, and I was like, you know what? He seems tilted, so I think I'm gonna try to tilt him some more, get this dub. You know, there's nothing wrong with a little bit of shit talking. I don't think there's definitely taking it too far, but like, I don't think I wasn't being like overtly rude. I wasn't being a piece of shit. You know. Playing the game, and I started noticing around this time period that he seemed like he was getting a little tilted, right? He's 14-10. He's doing well. He's doing well in the game. But he kept trying to push the garage right here. And this is the point where I was like, this is a Radiant player. And I think I aim duel him right here. You might have noticed that didn't look good on either of our parts. we're both smurfing in this game, and we both run into each other. I'm just like, what the fuck, dude? I'm like, what is this aim duel, dude? I thought this was funny, but I started to notice that maybe he's a little tilted. So I think I said Radiant aim duel lol or something like that in chat right there. The next round, I figured after I started trash talking a little bit, after I said like the Radiant aim duel thing, maybe he'd want to kill me some more. And the reason I'm showcasing this is just because I think that there's definitely a lot of like mental plays that you can make in this game that you could take advantage of for your own benefit, and you can actually outplay people mentally, and it's a thing that you can do. And I think that I wanted to kind of showcase a scenario in which I did this. So I'm doing this more for like educational purposes when you're in your own game. I'm not saying go into your games and shit talk enemy players, but I'm saying that like if you notice that like it seems like a player's tilted, or like it seems like they're even in chat like yelling at you, you can oftentimes take advantage of that, and you can kind of you can kind of make plays around it. So after I said the Radiant thing lol, I figured maybe he wants to kill me now, because I would want to kill somebody who is trash talking me too. So now at this point in the game, I think he's going to push me again. So I have a stinger, so I'm going to sit in this corner right here. Sova Recon Dirt goes by, end up killing him. He actually force bought this round, so this is actually pretty good. I think this is the next round right after that. And we end up shutting down that force buy right there. I think we do end up winning this round, but it's just another kill like that. Psychological warfare, exactly. So he ended up pushing us there. I ended up getting the pick on him. We have another round right here. This next round is in garage. What I did the last round is I hid in this corner, right? And then the previous round, I also pushed it. So I figured maybe if I had in a different position right now, maybe he tries to push up. Maybe I'm able to capitalize on that again. So I think what I stand is like right here, just like a really weird off angle as you're entering, right? So he's going to check this corner. Then he's going to probably think I'm close or something. So he's going to check over here. He's going to have his crosshair positioned in like a completely different spot. The hope is that I'm able to pick up a kill on him here. So now I wanted to point out, this part right here has nothing to do with the trash talk. This is just me playing with my opponents like mentally. I'm not playing the same position every single time. I'm like mixing it up, right? So I played initially I was like right in the doorway. I peeked it. Then I was right here. Now I'm right here. I'm like switching it up every time. I'm trying not to be too predictable with it. So I'm playing up in this corner. I back up again when this Roomba comes in. Roomba actually dodges past. See, exactly as I was saying, he tries to check this corner because he thinks I'm going to be playing close. That's exactly what he's thinking. He's thinking this Rain has been playing really aggressive out garage. Maybe he's hiding in the corner or something like that. But instead, I'm just hiding in the doorway right here. It's a little bit of an off angle, right? I'm able to pick up a kill on me again. But it doesn't stop here, right? I figured this guy, he's got to save his ego somehow, right? Like, I was talking a little bit of smack. I wasn't being like anything over the top, but I was like, LOL, Radiant Smurf. And I was just like getting into his head. And then the next round, is it right here? It's not right here. This is a retake. It's right here. No, it's not right here. It's not right here. It's right here. This is what I did. I told Lucas. Lucas was playing over on A for most of the game, but this is my favorite part about this. This is the reason I wanted to kind of showcase this. I knew that Lucas was playing over on A, and I was like, Lucas, come over to B, This Jet's tilted. She's gonna try to push me, and I'm gonna bait her, and we're gonna pick up the kill. You're gonna hide in this corner where I'm standing, and we're gonna get a bait on her. The reason I figure this will work is because, as you've seen, she's been trying to push me and has been not working, and I've been rustling her jimmies a little bit, and now she feels like she can capitalize on it. So now I'm gonna be playing this position, very standard position. I'm playing as Reyna too, so I even could come out of this with a kill. And what you're gonna see is gonna happen is they're gonna try to make their entrance into garage right now.
Joke's over. You're dead.
The Phoenix ulti is coming in. We actually thought it was coming into garage, but I do pick up the kill in the Viper. Now I want to get spotted. I get spotted by the Roomba. I E out immediately. As I'm Eing out, Lucas is in this position. You'll notice he picks up the kill onto the Jet, and then he kills somebody else. I guess the video cuts out right before that happens. He kills the Jet right here, but I'm just like, dude, you can literally live in your opponent's mind if you just think about how they're gonna react to things, right? I've seen it from this Jet. She's smurfing. She wants to kill me. She hates like when people are trash talking her. It's just like, it's very clear how people are gonna react to the things. And the whole purpose of this, once again, it's not to say trash talk your enemies and like that's how it's gonna work out for you, but it's try to live in your opponent's minds, dude. If you've been playing in different positions and you're mixing it up, think of, okay, well, I was just playing this spot. How are they going to react to this now, right? How are they going to fix the thing? So I just killed them in this corner. How are they going to try to not get killed from that corner again? Are they going to check this? Where can I stand now that's going to mess this person up? Set up these baits with your opponents and the way that they've been reacting to the things that you've been doing. So if I've been playing the same way, set up a bait now. Do the exact same thing, but set up a bait for your teammate where they can capitalize on it. There's a lot of really cool things that you can do. I guess this is like a little bit of a guide. I don't want the takeaway from this to be like, I really don't want the takeaway from this to be, hey, shit talk your enemies and that's how you're gonna win. But yeah, just try to live in your opponent's mind. When you see somebody's tilted, try to take advantage of it. You know, show us the PUBG shot. I've shown it so many times, dude. I literally have shown it so many times on stream. Why would I show the PUBG shot again? Like, I've shown it like 4 billion times on stream. Like, there's no reason I would ever need to show the PUBG shot again. Like, people have already seen it. You know, like nobody wants to view the PUBG shot. It would take me so long to find the PUBG shot anyway. So, I mean, like, I don't think there's any point in me showing the PUBG shot because it would just take me forever to scroll and find the PUBG shot. Like, I don't even know if I have it anymore, you know? Like, I don't even know. I might have deleted it or something like that, you know? Like, I don't know. I don't even know if the PUBG shot exists. Oh, shit. Oh.
I mean, is this an Xbox One game?
How do we get here?
It is on, like, it's on Xbox, but I'm playing on PC right now. If I land this sniper shot, then you all have to buy me dinner.
Oh my god! Oh, dude, that PUBG shot is great, dude. I love that PUBG shot. That's a good shot. That's a good shot. I like it. What is on your head? It's a crown. It's a Burger King crown. I'm the king. King needs a crown, right? Come on, man. Go with the program.